Hey everyone, Kevin here, and welcome back to episode 8 of the 2D game tutorial. Last time we left off, we were scripting our player character to be able to interact with pickups. Today is going to be a quick lesson, because we're going to be moving from this scene into a new scene and creating our main menu. Now, the main menu isn't going to be great, but it should be able to teach you the basics, and you should be able to extend and iterate on it later on your own. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to your file and click Save. You can also do Control S, it doesn't matter, but I just want you to save before you create the scene, because if you haven't saved in a while and open the new scene that you create, it will actually delete all of the progress that you made in the current scene, and we would hate for that to happen. So go ahead and do that right now. As soon as you finish, let's go into the Scenes folder, right-click, go to Create, and click on Scene. We're going to name this scene Main Menu. Now, be careful with the way you type it, because capitalization and spelling is going to be very important later on in one of the tutorials. So I just need you to make sure that you know how it's spelled and be very deliberate in the way you spell it. You can go ahead and open that scene. And the thing we're going to do here is we're going to right-click, go to UI, and go to Canvas. I'm just going to move this down, and I'm going to name this Main Menu Canvas, just like that. Now we don't need to do anything with the canvas, so we're just going to create something else right here. I'm going to go to Create, UI, Text, and we're going to name this Title Text. Perfect. Now from here we're going to do a couple of things. First, we're going to go down here to font size, and we're going to change it to 40. We're going to go down here where it says paragraph, go to alignment, and change both of the alignments to the center alignment. Then we're going to go to horizontal overflow and vertical overflow and change both of those to overflow. Perfect. Now we can see our text. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the text to say, to have our game title. You could name it whatever you want. This is what I'm going to name it. Perfect. Now after we do this, we're going to add an image to the canvas. So we're going to go right-click, go to UI, go to Image. Now you want to make sure that your text is below the image, or else the text won't show. Next, we're going to click on Image. We're going to click on this anchor. We're going to go to the bottom right. This should extend it to our complete screen. Then I'm going to change each of these values, left, top, right, and bottom, to be 0, 0, 0, 0. There. Now our invisible image is covering the whole screen in the color that we want. After this, I'm just going to change the color. You can change it to whatever you want, but I will change it to this shade of green. There we go. Now the next thing we're going to want to do after this is create a button. So I'm going to right click on the canvas again, go to UI, go to button. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the position of the button to be -75. Then I'm going to scroll down. No, my bad. Then I'm going to open up the button submenu, go to text. And I'm just going to change the text to be Start Game. And that's all we have to do for this video. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.